Hello children, hope you are all fine. Now let us start today's class. We all know naming words are called nouns. Now nouns can be classified as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Let me write them. Nouns that can be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4 are called countable nouns. Let me give you some examples. Pen, chair. We can count pen, chair as 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are countable nouns. And nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Let me give you some examples. Sugar, salt. Can we count sugar, salt as 1, 2, 3, 4? No, we can't count them in numbers. They are uncountable nouns. Now let us start with the countable nouns. Countable nouns can be classified in terms of number as singular and plural. Let me give you an example. When we write chair, it denotes one chair. So it is singular. But when we write chairs, it denotes more than one chair. It can be 2, 3, 4 and so on. So chairs are plural nouns. So, a noun that stands for one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number. And a noun that stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the plural number. Now let us come to the formation of plurals. Here I have written some nouns. They are singular nouns. I will show you how to make them plurals. Boy, boys. Bird, birds. Door, doors. Here in all these cases I have added s to the singular nouns to make it plural. So boy, boys. Bird, birds. Door, doors. So we must remember that in most cases we form the plural by adding s to the singular. Here also I have written some singular nouns. I will show you how to make them plurals. B-U-S, bus. Here the word bus is ending with the letter s. So to make it plural, we have to add es to it. Bus, buses. C-L-A-S-S, class. Here, the word class is ending with the letters s. So to make it plural, here also we will have to add es to it. So class will be classes. For the word dish, D-I-S-H. It is ending with the letters sh. To make it plural, we have to add es to it. Dish will be dishes. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Here it is ending with the letters ch. To make it plural, we have to add es to it. Bench will be benches. B-O-X, box. Here the word box is ending with the letter X. to make it plural, we have to add es to it. Box will be boxes. So, we must remember that nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x, we add es to the singular to make it plural. But there is an exception to this rule. Look, the word ox. It is ending with the letter x. But the plural of this noun is not oxes. It is oxen. So, we must remember that there is also exception to this rule. Now let us come to these nouns. The word potato and tomato is ending with the letter O. So, to make it plural, we have to add es to it. Let me show you. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. Here it is ending with the letter O. So, to make it plural, we have to add es to it. Potato will be potatoes. Similarly, tomato will be tomatoes. So, we have to remember that nouns ending in O, we add es to it to make it plural. Now, there is an exception to this rule. Look at these nouns. Photo, zoo. Both these nouns are ending with the letter O. But to make it plural, we have to add only s to it. Photo will be photos. Zoo will be zoos. We have to remember this one. Now let us come to these nouns. Here the word thief is ending with the letter F. So, to make it plural, here we will have to drop the letter F and write V and then add es to it to make it plural. Let me show you. Thief. Here we have to drop the letter F and write V and then add es to it to make it plural. So, thief will be thieves. For the word knife, K-N-I-F-E, it is ending with the letters F-E. To make it plural, here also we will have to drop the letters F-E and write V and then add es to it to make it plural. K-N-I-F-E. We will drop F-E and write V and then add es to it to make it plural. So, knife will be knives. So, nouns ending in F or Fe, we change F or Fe to V and add es to it to make it plural. But there is also an exception to this rule. The word roof, it is ending with the letter F. Here, we don't have to drop F and write VES. We have to only add S to it to make it plural. Roof, roofs. Now let us come to these nouns. Look, the word city, C-I-T-Y, it is ending with the letter Y. And before Y, there is a consonant, T. So, to make it plural, here we have to change Y into I and add es to it. So, city, here we have to change Y to I and add es to it to make it plural. So, city will be cities. Similarly, army, it is ending with the letter Y and before Y there is a consonant, M. So to make it plural, we have to change Y into I and add ES to it. So army will be armies. So we must remember nouns ending in a consonant followed by Y. We change Y into I and add ES to it to make it plural. Now look at these nouns. Day, D-A-Y. It is ending with the letter Y, but before Y there is a vowel, A. Here we have to add only S to it to make it plural. So day will be days. Similarly, boy will be boys. So we have to remember that nouns ending in a vowel followed by Y, we add S to it to make it plural. Now let us come to these nouns. M-A in man, it is a singular noun. The plural of man will be male. Here the plural is formed by the change of vowel. F-W-T, foot. Foot will be feet. Goose will be geese. So we have to remember some nouns form their plurals by change of vowels. Now let us come to these nouns. Deer. The plural of deer is deer. Sheep. The plural of sheep is sheep. Furniture. The plural of furniture is furniture. So we must remember that some nouns have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. Now let us come to the exercises. Children, I have already explained you how to form the plurals. Try to apply it and solve exercise A. Come to exercise B. There is an error in each of the sentences. Write the sentences correctly. Number 1. They are very good childs. Here, childs is an error. It will be children. So, the answer will be they are very good children. Number 2. I brush my teeth every day. Tooth is incorrect. It will be teeth. So, the answer will be I brush my teeth every day. Number 3. Many women are joining the Indian Army now. Women is an error. It will be women. So, the answer will be many women are joining the Indian Army now. Number 4. Please comb your hairs. Hairs is an error. It will be hair. It is an uncountable noun. So the answer will be please comb your hair. Number 5. There are many big city and town in India. City and town are incorrect. It will be cities and towns. So the answer will be there are many big cities and towns in India. Number 6. Father purchased new furnitures for the house. Furnitures is incorrect. It will be furniture. So the answer will be father purchased new furniture for the house. Number 7. 9 sheep were grazing in the meadow. Here sheep is incorrect. It will be sheep. So the answer will be 9 sheep were grazing in the meadow. Number 8. There are 2 glass on the table. Glass is incorrect. So the answer will be there are 2 glasses on the table. Children, I have already told you about uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Now, in this regard, you must remember that most of the uncountable nouns do not have plurals. Let me give you some examples. We do not write breads. We write a loaf of bread. We do not write butters. We write some butter. Now, exercise C, you try to do it yourself. Here, you have to classify the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Come to exercise D. Fill in the blanks with a suitable uncountable noun in each sentence. Number 1. When you are tired, you should listen to some music. Number 2. I need to drink a lot of water. Is there a little water left in the flask? Number 3. The chef has used a lot of the oil to cook this dish. Number 4. All paint has fallen on the floor. Number 5. There is no furniture in the room. It is empty. Number 6. He drank all the milk and left nothing for his sister. Number 7. Do you want some sugar in the tea? Number 8. They purchased a lot of rice, some butter and a little coffee from the store. That's all for today. Children, please download the PDF of this chapter from the school website. Along with this, also download the home assignment and solved exercises of this chapter.